Hey guys, welcome back to this brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to improve your Instagram photos. This is going to cover up another tutorial I did, which basically also showed you how to ameliorate or improve photos, but this time I'm going to show you how you actually can do that for Instagram, so that your photos that you took that looks kind of regular will look really good now and professional. So I'm going to jump right in. I can go to File, New, and here we have the size of what actually all of the Instagram posts are. So it's 1080 by 1350, and that is actually the size for Instagram posts. So of course we're going to put them in pixels, 300 resolution, this doesn't really matter, RGB color, be sure the background is on white, it's pretty good, it's easy, and I'm going to click OK. And as you can see, this is what I meant. The image overall looks like you can see it on your phone really easily, and it's actually also the goal. So this is the size for Instagram posts. But yeah, we actually made it as a layer, and I have a picture actually that is prepared, so I'm going to place it. It's this photo right here. Let's just say this random girl took a photo of herself, you know, or somebody else did, obviously, and she wants to put it on Instagram. So first of all, as you can see, I changed the picture here a bit, and the first thing you can see is that, so now wherever I place it will actually influence how it will be on Instagram. So this will, if I keep it like this, it will be like this. If I keep it like this, it will be like this, because yeah, this is exactly the size for the Instagram post. So let's say she wants something like, let's put a little bit up. Let's say this is the size we're gonna go with. This is how it's gonna look. So I'm gonna click OK. And we're actually gonna go, so this is actually, if I upload it right now like this, it will actually look exactly like this. But as you can see, the picture itself is not bad, but I think there can be some filters that can cover it up, if you know what I mean. And these can be actually the Instagram filters you have integrated, but I think it's also a really good thing if you're really into the ameliorating, improving photos in Photoshop also. I really advise you to actually make this yourself and just go ahead and do your own thing and make your pictures yourself look better. So I'm actually gonna go over this too. I've been before over it, but I'm gonna do it again. It's the camera raw filter. And this is simply a kind of gallery that can actually help you easily improve them, and in a way that it will look more professional. I'm going to show you starting off here with the exposure. Probably going to put it down because the image itself I think is pretty light. As you can see, it will look better already, not too dark of course. Let's say end of the evening kind of light, you know, when it's about to get dark and you have this orange kind of sun over you. I think it's something like this. Will be pretty good. And then some don't need to be touched. Contrast, I do kind of want that to make it more detailed, as you know what I'm saying. That is way too much, of course. This is kind of getting there. 40 is not too much, actually. It's pretty nice. So as you can see, we already make a progress here. And in the end, I kind of do want it to say more darkish, because the overall image is still too light for me. I think that if we do some real changes, we can actually improve it. Yeah, the shadows, I mean a little bit, you know. The whites, not really the whites. Let's just keep it at 0. The blacks are more the ones that we would need. That doesn't really influence anything, makes it not kind of really better, but still gonna put it somewhere over here. Clarity depends. This can be really good. It's used in some pictures, but I think we can more use the bit, but not too much, you know. Around here it really starts to get that too much touch, I guess. So I'm gonna put it somewhere over here. It doesn't really matter after that. Yeah, I think it's good. So actually I hesitate to use these. Don't really see them adding anything more than I've already had. So yeah, let's just not do that. There we go. Just put everything at 0 again. The sharpening, it's optional, okay? So it's the same thing as we saw just about now, and it's actually just to make it more clear, you know, just make it more yeah, sharper, so you can actually see what it can do for us. The luminance is not really necessary too, actually. These are all settings that we don't need, actually. We don't need it. This one could be changed. Yeah, there we go. Well, that gives it a really weird touch, actually. So let's put it down a bit. Yeah, that puts the colors more in. I like that. Let's do 8 to not overdo it, because these stones, and she begins to get too much dark, and the sky and the city, of course, it's logic, but it stays a little bit too light. That's not really good. So, but there isn't really much else we can change right now. So I'm gonna actually show you now compared to what it was before. So this is what it is now, right now. And if I apply this, you can see that the image is just generally better. You would definitely go for this one if you had the choice. And just by confirming it right now, we'll do it right now. It transforms it like this, and there we go. I mean, this I will definitely post on Instagram. It looks really good. It's immediately the good size, as you can see. So literally the only thing you gotta do in Instagram is go ahead and upload a picture and choose this one, because you have to send it over to your phone. And yeah, this will be uploaded to your Instagram, and honestly it will look really good and definitely more professional than we saw before. So I hope it helped you out. If in the future you're gonna post some pictures of yourself and you're like, this picture is not bad, but it could use a little touch, if you know what I mean, just go for this, really, if you have the possibility. And you'll definitely get more attention on your Instagram page as well. So yeah, I just hope it helped you out. If it did, please leave a like, would be really nice. Also, subscribing would also be really nice. And I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.